Welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to create new vibration in voicemail on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the Sounds and Haptics. Then click. Then in the Sounds and Haptics, go to Sounds and Haptic Pattern section, then choose the New Voicemail. Then in the New Voicemail, click the Vibration. Then in the Vibration, click the Create New Vibration on the Custom section, then click. Then in the New Vibration, you can tap to create a vibration pattern, or you can just long tap to create a vibration pattern that you want. And after that, you can play it by pressing the play button on the lower side of the screen. And after that, you can save it if you're done, and click the save button. In this section, you can create a file name that you want for the vibration that you created. For example, girl. Then after that, click save. And your new vibration is on the list. And that's it. We have successfully created new vibration in voicemail on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.